Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about Plum birthday sale recommendations. Plum is turning 8 and they are having big birthday sale from 1st to 4th of July. First of all, happy birthday Plum, and they are having sale up to 50% off on all their products. On order about $12.99 you will get vitamin C toner moisturizer worth ₹1000, and on order above $19.99 you will get vitamin C toner moisturizer and voluminous mascara worth ₹1500. If you don't know about the brand, let me tell you, it is a vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, clean beauty brand which always provide products for all skin types and according to the concerns, while also staying true to being transparent and real. Let's see what I got. First of all, this is a very cute bag which is having all the products, and the first product which I would like to share with you is a niacinamide serum. This is the outer packaging of the product, and it is written that it is suitable to all skin types and non-comedogenic product. Let's see the inner packaging of the product. It is a glass bottle which is very cute and it is white in color, as you can see. Let me show you the consistency of the product. This is very runny in texture. This face serum generally clarifies and brightens skin by actively working on blemishes and post-acne marks. It penetrates into your skin within seconds, and it also soothes active acne and regulates sebum production, which is very important. मेरे को भी बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत रहती है एक्ने मार्क्स की, जिसको हाइड करने के लिए मेकअप से हाइड करने पड़ते हैं. सो आई एम करंटली यूजिंग दिस सो दैट मेरे को कलर करेक्शन की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत ना पड़े. Currently, I'm using it and loving it. The next product is the Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. It is the outer packaging and all the details are mentioned on the packaging. It is the inner packaging and very travel friendly. It is very nice in size. If I talk about the product, it is warm vanilla fragranced body mist जो कि last करता है 2 to 3 hours. That is very good. And it smells like a cupcake. It has a super fragrance, just vanilla. You feel like you are having vanilla on your body. It is really nice and you can definitely try this out. The next product is olive and macadamia shampoo. It is superb. I really like this. All the ingredients are mentioned, so you do not need to worry that what is used in it, and it has a very nice pump which works perfectly. Generally क्या होता है, जो pump है खराब हो जाते हैं, लेकिन मैंने इसको काफ़ी बार use कर लिया है and it is working properly. And if I talk about the texture, as you can see, it is really thick. This is a gentle sulphate-free and hydrating shampoo that cleanses and nourishes the scalp. It is for damaged and colored hair. And trust me, my hair are colored, my hair are damaged. And मैंने literally इसी को use करा है. मैंने कोई conditioner apply नहीं करा था क्योंकि मुझे देखना था कि इसका क्या effect है. And it is superb. You can definitely invest in this product. Plum will never disappoint you. Next one is I Swear by Matte Liner. It has a very cute packaging. Let me show you. It is purple in color and chotu sa packaging, but I really liked it. This liner gives you a deep black finish. Applicator is also very stiff, so you can apply according to your choice. I mean according to your shape. आपको किस तरीके का shape apply करना है. And it is a deep black finish, matte finish. You will apply it just in one stroke. It is smudge proof, waterproof and quick drying formula. This is simply liquid matte finish eyeliner by Plum, and I really like Plum products. They are vegan, they are cruelty free. So मुझे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगता इनको अप्लाई करते हुए. So these are the products which I would recommend you. There are many products which I can recommend you, like vitamin C toner, mattifying moisturizer, which I currently using. But this is all for now. And bag is also very nice, very sturdy, and बहुत अच्छा material है इसका. And I will also provide you the coupon code so that you can get additional 10% discount. Bye bye lovelies.